I thought I'm going to speak to you a little bit about what I have learned about communication. There are two, three little things I would like to share with you. Number one is if you give me facts, I learn. If you give me truths, I believe. But if you give me a story, I remember. And I'm going to talk to you about storytelling. In advertising, we use a lot of storytelling, particularly post 1990. Till then, it was very facts, very transactional. The consumer, we believe, has come a long way. And he's bombarded with advertising all the time. It really, and he doesn't go on the days when people used to say in their advertising, "Aaj hi kharide." And there used to be a very senior gentleman, Pandit Vinod Sharma. He used to get very upset. बोले रात के 9:30 बजे दिखा रहा है ऐड और कह रहा आज ही खरीदिए कोई दुकान नहीं खोली है अभी. So you have to make people remember things. They might make the purchase 3 days later, but the stories are the things that people remember. When you're doing storytelling, then you have to get into the world of emotions. Now, when I say emotions, lots of people think it's sentimentality. But if you look at Indian literature, Indian dancing, it is about the navrasas, or the 9 emotions. Laughter is an emotion, anger is an emotion, your love towards the child is an emotion, and so on and so forth. We try and do a lot of stuff which takes care of storytelling by using emotions. Now, in my business, we are not pure artists. We are commercial artists. We have been hired by somebody to take a message. We've been hired by somebody to change a perception. We've been hired by somebody to change a behavior. Now, there is a lot at stake. Lots of money is being spent. So in comes this dangerous mobster called research. Everyone wants to know the results earlier. But whoever knows the results earlier always most probably knows the wrong results. Because the consumer is not trained for research. You go and show him an animated thing and say, this is the story I'll have. You get responses, but I don't want to see a cartoon film. Say, but this is not a cartoon film. This is going to be enacted by people later. They are not trained to take that jump. I'm going to tell you a lovely story about what research could have done to this beautiful storyline. My friend out there will play you the first section of commercials, then I'll tell you a story. No research would have put it through. It was sheer guts, because I believe there's no guts, no glory. Get on to storytelling, open your eyes. There are stories hanging in this country on every street. And you can fix it, and you can use it for any kind of communication. I think a story can be made out of engineering. if you present it as to what it did to somebody's life, then it's very easy to understand. Storytelling can change markets if you communicate properly. And again, all the work I'm showing you is not researched, and thank God it was not. It can change a scenario of a chocolate which was meant for children by just saying, how about the child in each one of us? It can revive, there's a story about death also out here. I made that Only the Devil Die because we changed the campaign and revived the brand for the next 5 years. If you use guts, you can change the scenario of using pretty models which were expected in every chocolate or sweetie ads, whether they could act or not. And if you reverse the scenario from selling insurance to 35-year-olds by showing the benefit of insurance when you are 75 years old. Can I show you 4 more out here?
कुछ खास है हम सभी में, कुछ बात है हम सभी में, बात है खास है, कुछ स्वाद है, क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी में।
कैडबरीज डेयरी मिल्क, असली स्वाद जिंदगी का।
Introducing the most powerful digital sound in the world. The new Oneida KY Thunder 650 watts. Ever seen TV like this?
नया सेंटर शॉक हिला के रख दो।
इसी को तुम अखबार में छुप छुप कर देख रही थी ना?
हाँ, क्यों?
देखो, मैं ले आया।
पागल तो नहीं हो गए? कितने के हैं?
अरे कुछ भी नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, लौटा दो।
अरे आज बहुत शुभ दिन है, वो वैलेंटाइंस डे। इस दिन जो लोग प्यार करते हैं ना, एक दूसरे को कुछ न कुछ देते हैं।
अब इस उम्र में कहाँ पहनूंगी हीरा?
अरे हीरे को क्या पता तुम्हारी उम्र?
SBI लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की लाइफ लॉन्ग पेंशन्स, ताकि प्यार के बीच पैसों की कमी ना आए।
This last one is actually a story about my mother. So what I was saying is, in communication, everywhere there's a story hiding, take it, use it. The trouble comes that if you do not step out of your campus, I know you have to get back at 10:30. But in between, step out, meet people, meet locals, talk to them. You will learn a lot more than you will learn from any advertising book. I promise you that. Last section I'm going to show you is about how to keep things apart when you are handling with 4 brands which have similar things to offer. And that's where storytelling helps. So I'll just run the last section. I think I'll be on time. Message to you is, look at these. You have inspiration within you. Bring it out, use it, because you're the stars of tomorrow. Thank you.
ये रंग है रंग है रंग है, 100 तरह के रंग है, रंग है रंग है रंग है, 100 तरह के रंग है। कान्हा में सैकड़ों शेर दहाड़े, हर कोई देखे आंखें फाड़े, ओ आंखें फाड़े आंखें फाड़े आंखें फाड़े आंखें फाड़े। खजुराहो की खामोश मूरत, प्यार की कितनी प्यारी सूरत, एमपी में आया हर कोई। दंग है वो दंग है, दंग है वो दंग है। मांडू का महल देखने आए, जहाज देखा चक्कर खाए। सांची में आके स्तूपा देखा, शांत होकर हिंसा को फेंका। एमपी में आई हर रूह, मलंग है मलंग है मलंग है मलंग है। ये महाकाल की पूजा, दृश्य न कोई दूजा। एमपी में आई हर रूह, मलंग है।
कच्छ का ये रण हिंदुस्तान का तोरण है। चांदनी रात की ये सफेद धरती, यूं लगता है जैसे चांद जमीन पर उतर आया है। प्रकृति की कठिनाइयों को दिल पे नहीं लेते कच्छ के लोग, जीवन को सजाते हैं रंगों से, कला से, संगीत के सुरों से। मांडवी का नीला समंदर भी यही है पास में। यहां खुशबू है उत्साह की, उत्सव की, रंगों की, कलाकारी की। खुशबू है गुजरात की। आपने कच्छ नहीं देखा तो कुछ नहीं देखा। कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में, है?
And one last one.
हुआन को राजस्थान कुछ ऐसा दिखा।
So basically, there is a story in each one of you out here, in each one of us out here. Sit down and write them. You never know when they'll come handy to you. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.